Okay, we are recording. Hi guys, before I start with this tutorial, let me share this quick unboxing. I just got this super cute watch from a company called Rich Gun Broke. It's an open collective of artists and influencers that make limited edition Japanese watches that can be combined with the different bracelets that they offer on their website. I personally find this very unique and very cute, and I've been using this watch for my casual days and other stuff. Um, I think it looks good for this season of the year, you know, in spring, summer, and mainly with the design that I chose for my bracelet. I love it. They are offering a 20% off on first purchases on their website. So I added a link on the description box. Don't hesitate, go ahead and check it out. They have amazing watches. I love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys a real quick no foundation makeup tutorial where I share how I do my makeup using only concealer. It's more like an everyday kind of makeup where you don't want to cake up your face. Today I have some things to do, and outside the house, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna do a real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup with concealer. So I'm gonna be talking with you guys during the video. Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply moisturizer. This one is from Lancome. I'm gonna use this one because it's starting to get really sunny and hot outside, and we do not want to mess up our skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this amount. It feels like it's a really thick cream. I don't know. I like the consistency, and I like the fact that even when I apply it, it doesn't make me oily. Like you guys can see, I'm not oily. Maybe a little bit glowy, but I'm not oily at all. What I experience the most is that most moisturizers, as soon as I apply them, they make me look oily, and I hate it. So the first thing I always do when I'm in a rush or when I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup is do my brows, and I always use like a brow definer or a brow pencil. This one is from Kiss Cosmetics. I love it. So guys, I've been missing you guys a lot. Like, I tried recording everything I was recording, I didn't like it, or I just didn't have enough time to edit the videos and I couldn't post them. School has been really hard for me lately. School was horrible. This has been my hardest semester so far. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The hardest. I feel like I look dark on camera. I don't know why. School has been very hard, and I couldn't take time off to do as many things as I wanted. Plus I was working too. Definitely one of my hardest semester. But hopefully I graduated this semester, and it was just an associate, and I'm transferring and getting my bachelor's hopefully soon. Okay, so the next thing I do is of course clean my brows, and for that I'm gonna use the Wetnwild concealer. Okay, my eyebrows, like, I don't know why I feel like I look so dark on camera today, but it's so good. That's the type of melanin I need in my life. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my brows using the Wetnwild Photo Focus concealer, which is also the same one I'm gonna be using all over to cover my marks and my under eye bags, you know. I feel like I look so dark. I don't know if I'm gonna like this video. If you see this video on my channel, Better know that I liked it. So guys, I don't want to talk about school, but I feel like that's a topic I want to talk in this video. That's the topic I want to talk about in this video because I've been really stressed. I've been really pissed. I've been... Okay, hold on. Let me finish this browse. So yeah, like I was saying, school wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all for me this semester. And even though I don't really want to talk about school because it's summer vacation and that's like the last thing I want to talk about, but I do want to mention a few things just so that you guys that are graduating this year from high school can have a little bit of an idea on what to do and what not to do, and learn from other people's mistakes. I mean, you know this. So yeah. So when I came here to the States to go to school, because I'm international student, I'm not from the States. I'm just applying concealer, by the way. Is the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. I say concealer. I'm applying primer. So yeah, I came here and I enrolled in a community college because I wanted to get familiar with the education system here in the States, and I think I did good doing that because I didn't want to jump into a 4-year university and then make mistakes that I wouldn't be able to correct, or that they were going to take me a long time to correct and stuff like that. So I enrolled in a community college here in the area where I'm living, and so they told me that I have to enroll into the engineering program because they didn't have a transferable program for architecture, and they told me that, oh, it's the most similar, which is not at all. They're two completely different things. Yeah, they're kind of related if you think about civil engineering and stuff like that. They are almost related, but they are completely different. The requirement courses are not even the same, and yeah. So yeah, I didn't know. It's my first time going to college in the United States. I don't know. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do that. Whatever they say I have to do. The first mistake that I noticed that they made is they made me enroll in a lower math class. Not like a lower math class, it's just a different type of pre-cal, because I got into pre-calculus, and they made me enroll in a pre-calculus that it was like very basic when I should have gone to the advanced one. So I paid for 2 pre-calculus classes because the first one they gave me was not right for me, and I had to take another one to go to calculus, which was kind of annoying. That's when I started noticing that, yeah, they make a lot of mistakes here. Then they transferred me to my faculty advisor, the engineering faculty advisor, which was horrible because this man was not even trying to help. But I'm not gonna... Oh my god, I keep unfocusing myself. I don't know how or why this is happening. So yeah, I'm transferring. Hopefully I can finish my architecture thing soon. It's gonna be hard because I was doing something completely different, and it's gonna take me maybe a little bit more time. I was expecting to finish in 1.5 years, but probably it's gonna take me 2 years because I didn't take most of the architecture courses. And yeah, my advice for you guys is to learn about the things that you are going to do. Use your first semester to learn about different things. I know a lot of people that got into college wanting to do something, and then they took a course and they ended up loving it, so they switched their major. So even though you think you have things clear in your mind, I would suggest you to, explore, get into clubs, get to know people. That's something that also messed me up. I don't have a lot of friends. And yeah, get to know people, get to know the staff at the school, get involved in the campus life. It's gonna help you a lot. That's what really helped me realize that I was making a lot of mistakes with my major and all this stuff, and that I was taking the wrong path for the career I wanted to take. So yeah, that's my biggest advice. Get to know yourself, take different courses on your first semester and learn what you really want. And yeah. So yeah, I used a brush to blend the concealer because honestly, I do this look a lot when I'm in a rush or I'm going to school, and it's the fastest way. I'm not gonna lie. It's the fastest way. That's how I learned that I was in the wrong path, that I made a lot of mistakes during my community college years, and I didn't have more time to fix them because I was almost done. And yeah, I just decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna finish, and when I move on to my next step, I'll just make sure I don't make the same mistakes. So yeah, I'm gonna mix these two powders. These are from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna use the shade Banana and Terracotta. Now I'm just gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my Black Radiance True Completion Contour Palette. Take the darker shade, dab the excess powder, and contour my face. Badescu spray. I love this stuff and it makes my makeup look so good, and my skin in general loves it. My skin loves this product. I don't even know why I was talking about school, but I felt like I needed to say this to somebody. Like, don't make the same mistakes, okay? Please. I'm gonna use the MAC Gold Deposit highlighter because it's very natural. And then I take my clear gloss from the Beauty Supply. Okay, I don't know if you guys noticed that I've been doing this hairstyle a lot lately on my Instagram, on my Snapchat. So I changed my mind. I decided to show my outfit, which is this. It's very simple, very, I don't know, spring/summer. It's very casual. I'm just going to like drop some documents at the outfits, and yeah. I got the shoes from Marshalls. Look how cute they are. The duster is from Boohoo, and the dress is from H&M. So guys, this is it for this tutorial, quick chit chat tutorial. This is my first time doing a chit chat, get ready with me type of thing, and I hope you liked it. Comment down below which other topics you want me to talk that are not school related, por favor. I'm tired with school. I'm tired of talking about school. And So yeah, yeah, I hope you like it. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.